the Earth, a planet teeming with life, constantly evolving. Our story begins millions of years ago, in a period known as the Paleolithic Age. This era, spanning from roughly 2.5 million to 10,000 BCE, marks the dawn of early humans. It was a time of immense challenges, incredible adaptation, and the slow but steady rise of our species. The Paleolithic, also known as the Old Stone Age, is a vast and fascinating period. It is a testament to the resilience of life and the enduring power of human ingenuity. During this epoch, our ancestors were not yet the dominant species we are today. They lived in a world populated by now extinct creatures, facing harsh climates and unpredictable environments, yet they persevered. Driven by the fundamental needs for survival and fueled by an innate capacity for innovation, they navigated this ancient world. They developed tools, mastered fire, and formed complex social structures. This period witnessed the birth of language, art, and culture. It was the crucible in which the very essence of what it means to be human was forged. Join us now, as we journey back through time, to explore the Paleolithic Age. Our journey begins with the Lower Paleolithic, a period stretching from 2.5 million to 300,000 years ago. Imagine a world vastly different from our own. The continents were still shifting, and climates fluctuated dramatically. It was in this challenging environment that the earliest humans took their first tentative steps. This era marks the emergence of the genus Homo, the lineage that would eventually lead to us. One of the most significant developments of this period was the creation of the first stone tools. These tools, though rudimentary by today's standards, represented a pivotal moment in human evolution. They demonstrated a capacity for abstract thought, planning, and problem-solving. Early humans used these tools for a variety of tasks. They butchered animals, scraped hides, and dug for roots and tubers. This innovation allowed them to access new food sources and adapt to a wider range of environments. The discovery of these tools, such as those found at Lomekwi 3 in Kenya, pushes back the timeline of toolmaking. It suggests that our ancestors were already shaping their environment far earlier than previously thought. These early tools, often simple flakes chipped from larger stones, were the precursors to more sophisticated technologies. They represent the first glimmer of human ingenuity, a spark that would ignite further innovation in the millennia to come. As we move into the Middle Paleolithic, spanning from 300,000 to 30,000 years ago, we witness a significant leap forward in human development. This period was marked by the rise of Homo neanderthalensis in Europe and parts of Asia, a close relative of modern humans. Neanderthals were highly adaptable and skilled toolmakers. They developed more sophisticated tools, including hand axes, scrapers, and points. These advancements allowed them to hunt larger game and better utilize the resources available to them. Perhaps the most transformative development of this era was the mastery of fire. Evidence found at sites like Gesher Benot Ya'akov in Israel suggests that early humans were controlling fire by at least 790,000 years ago. Fire provided warmth, light, and protection from predators. It transformed the way food was cooked, making it safer and more digestible. This control over fire revolutionized the lives of early humans. It provided a gathering place, a source of comfort, and a tool for innovation. The ability to control fire marked a turning point in human evolution. It allowed early humans to thrive in colder climates and expanded their dietary options. The social interactions around a fire likely played a crucial role in the development of language, social bonds, and the transmission of knowledge. The Upper Paleolithic, spanning from 30,000 to 10,000 BCE, was a period of remarkable cultural and technological advancement. This era witnessed the emergence of Homo sapiens, our own species, and our spread across the globe. During this time, humans developed increasingly sophisticated tools, including blades, spear throwers, and bone and antler tools. These innovations allowed for greater efficiency in hunting, gathering, and crafting. The Upper Paleolithic also marked a turning point in human creativity. This period saw the emergence of cave art, such as the stunning paintings found in Lascaux, France, and Altamira, Spain. These paintings, often depicting animals, hunting scenes, and abstract symbols, provide a glimpse into the minds of our ancestors. They demonstrate a capacity for abstract thought, storytelling, and a deep connection to the natural world. This era was a time of significant change, with humans migrating across continents, adapting to a wide range of environments, and developing increasingly complex social structures. It was during this time that the foundations for modern human societies were laid. The innovations, artistic expressions, and cultural advancements of the Upper Paleolithic paved the way for the agricultural revolution and the rise of civilizations. Throughout the entirety of the Paleolithic Age, early humans lived as hunter-gatherers. Their survival depended on their intimate knowledge of the land and their ability to utilize the resources available to them. They followed the rhythms of nature, migrating with the seasons in search of food, water, and shelter. Their lives were a delicate dance between dependence and ingenuity, vulnerability and resilience. Hunter-gatherer groups were highly mobile, often moving their camps to follow migrating herds or to exploit seasonal resources. They possessed a deep understanding of animal behavior, plant cycles, and the art of tracking. Men, women, and children all played vital roles in ensuring the survival of the group. Men typically hunted larger game, while women gathered plants, fruits, nuts, and small animals. Their diet was surprisingly diverse, encompassing a wide range of plants and animals. They hunted large mammals like mammoths and bison, as well as smaller game like deer and rabbits. They gathered berries, nuts, roots, and other edible plants. This reliance on a variety of food sources provided a buffer against famine and ensured a more balanced diet. The hunter-gatherer lifestyle, though challenging, fostered a deep connection to the natural world and a profound understanding of the delicate balance of life. Section 6. Nomadic tribes united in survival. The harsh realities of the Paleolithic Age necessitated a strong sense of community. Early humans lived in small, nomadic tribes, typically consisting of 20 to 50 individuals. These groups were bound by kinship ties, shared experiences, and a common dependence on the land. Cooperation was essential for survival. They shared food, resources, and responsibilities, ensuring the well-being of the entire group. Life within these tribes was governed by established social structures and traditions. Elders often held positions of authority, their wisdom and experience guiding the group. They possessed a deep understanding of the environment, hunting techniques, and social customs. These traditions were passed down orally from generation to generation, ensuring the continuity of knowledge and cultural practices. Social bonds were strengthened through shared activities, storytelling, and rituals. These gatherings provided opportunities for learning, entertainment, and the reinforcement of social norms. The challenges they faced together forged unbreakable bonds, creating a sense of belonging and mutual support that was essential for their survival. Section 7. Art of the Ancients, Whispers from the Past. Amidst the struggle for survival, early humans found time for creative expression. The emergence of art in the Upper Paleolithic is a testament to the human spirit's capacity for imagination, symbolism, and storytelling. Cave paintings, such as those found in Lascaux and Altamira, offer a glimpse into the minds of our ancestors. These paintings, often created with mineral pigments mixed with animal fat or blood, depict a variety of subjects. Animals, particularly those hunted for food, feature prominently. Horses, bison, deer, and mammoths leap across the cave walls, their forms imbued with a sense of movement and life. Human figures also appear, often engaged in hunting scenes or rituals. The meaning of these paintings is still debated, but they likely served multiple purposes. They may have been part of hunting rituals, intended to ensure a successful hunt. They may have served as teaching tools, conveying knowledge about animal behavior and hunting techniques. Or perhaps they were simply expressions of creativity, a way for our ancestors to record their observations of the world around them. Section 8. A World in Flux. Adapting to a changing climate. The Paleolithic Age was a time of dramatic climate change. Ice ages descended upon the Earth, covering vast swaths of land and glaciers. These glacial periods were interspersed with warmer interglacial periods, leading to fluctuations in temperature, sea levels, and plant and animal life. Early humans had to be incredibly adaptable to survive these environmental shifts. During glacial periods, food became scarce, and early humans had to develop new strategies for survival. They migrated to more hospitable regions, following the movements of animals and seeking out areas with milder climates. They developed new hunting techniques, targeting cold-adapted animals like mammoths and woolly rhinoceroses. They also relied more heavily on gathered foods, exploiting whatever plant resources were available. These climatic fluctuations had a profound impact on human evolution. They forced early humans to be resourceful, adaptable, and innovative. They drove the development of new technologies, social structures, and cultural practices. The ability to adapt to these changing conditions was key to our survival and ultimately led to the spread of humans across the globe. Section 9. Legacy of the Paleolithic. Echoes in the present. The Paleolithic Age, though long past, continues to resonate in the present. The tools, art, and cultural practices of our ancestors provide invaluable insights into the origins of human ingenuity, creativity, and social behavior. By studying this ancient past, we gain a deeper understanding of our own species and our place in the grand tapestry of life. The Paleolithic Age witnessed the emergence of many defining characteristics of humanity: our capacity for innovation, our drive to explore, our ability to adapt, and our yearning to create. The legacy of the Paleolithic is etched in our genes, our cultures, and our very existence. It is a reminder of our humble beginnings, our remarkable journey, and the enduring power of the human spirit.